In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google Chrome to open automatically when you start your computer. This can be especially useful if you want to dive straight into your online activities without any delay. To begin, we're going to use a handy feature in Windows called the Run dialog box. To open it, simply press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This action will bring up a small window known as the Run dialog box, which serves as a quick access point to various functions within Windows. You'll see a prompt to type a command. In this box, type the phrase shell startup and then press Enter on your keyboard. By doing this, you're telling Windows to navigate to a folder that's designed to automatically run programs when your computer starts up. Once you press Enter, the startup folder will appear before your eyes. Now, in order to make Google Chrome open every time you boot up your computer, we need to insert a shortcut into this folder. But before we do that, we need to locate the actual Chrome application on your computer. Open up a new File Explorer window, which you can do by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar or pressing the Windows key and E key together. Next, navigate to the folder where Chrome is installed, which is typically at C+ program files like Google Chrome+ application. Head over there now, and inside you should see a file named Chrome.exe. This is the executable file that runs Chrome. With that file in view, go ahead and right-click on it. A menu will pop up with several options. From these options, select Copy. What we are doing here is creating a copy of the Chrome executable that we can then place into the startup folder, telling Windows to launch it each time you log in. Return to the startup folder we opened earlier by switching back to that window. Once there, right-click inside the folder, but be careful not to click on any existing files or shortcuts. This time, select Paste from the menu that appears. As you paste the Chrome shortcut into this folder, you're effectively setting up your computer to launch Chrome automatically with every startup. And that's it. From now on, whenever you power on your computer, Google Chrome will open on its own, saving you time and making your routine more efficient. Remember that if you ever want to stop Chrome from launching automatically, all you have to do is go back into the startup folder and delete the shortcut. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Adjusting startup applications can streamline your workflow and reduce some of those repetitive daily tasks. Thanks for watching, and